What if I told you that you can turn your works into real money? Like the works you take in the morning, the works you take to go to the supermarket, the works you take to go to school, you can turn that into real cash. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm bringing you legit site, three sites that'll pay you to record your steps that you take every day and you get paid real money. So all you have to do on this site is make sure you track your steps that you take every day and they get to credit you if you meet minimum threshold. So, starting with the least paying to the highest paying one, that will pay you to track your steps every day. With number three, starting with, and the name is called Reward. Reward is the fitness app that will pay you to track your steps every day. Like, make sure you download the app. All you have to do is download the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store, and you log in every day. If you wake up in the morning, you want to go for a walk or jogging or whatever thing you're going, you want to go to the supermarket, you want to do anything, you just log in on the app, start tracking your steps, and that is it. You don't need to do any hard labor. Just start tracking your steps, and voila, you get paid if you reach the minimum threshold. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my screen, and you get to see the name of the website or the app that you'll be downloading and what you have to do. Yeah, now we are on the website. It's called rewardapp.com. You just have to come to reward and they say any reward for every step you take. More than tracking, transform walking into winning, meaning you're transforming your walking into winning. And they have it on App Store and the Google Play Store. What do you have to do? Convert your steps into cash, gifts, and donation. Cash out your rewards with PayPal or Venmo. Redeem gifts and exclusive deals from over 100 top brands. Use your reward to support charities and cause close to your heart. Track your progress and stay in top shape. So all you have to do is make sure you track. Tracking is the only thing you have to do. Wherever you're going, just on the tracking. Just go log in on the app, start tracking, and that is it. And they record your steps. And you get to end points, and when you meet the minimum threshold, you get to make some money for yourself. And let's read some reviews from some users of the app. This person says, after a long injury recovery process, I needed something to motivate me to get back in action. This person says, this app has motivated me to get out and start exploring again. The more I use it, the more I find myself discovering things about my home that I never knew. So the app is not only about tracking your steps. It's a fitness app that will help you along your fitness journey. If you want to become a fitness person, you want to take care of your health and take your fitness seriously, the app is one of those apps that will help you. And they do have partners, renowned partners, and that you can see here on the app, and you get to read more about them. And that is it. But the main goal here is for you to make sure you download the app, you start tracking your steps, and you get paid. And the second app we'll be talking about is called Cashwalk. It's also they say almost the same thing, but with Cashwalk, you get to also watch ads. You don't only track your step; they also have an opportunity for you to watch ads. And when you watch ads, you get to earn coins. So on Cashwalk, you're gonna be earning by tracking your steps every day, and maybe also watching ads, and you get paid coins. So all you have to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Cashwalk app, and you start earning money. So let's go to the site and get to see how it works. Keep walking, stay healthy, get rewarded. Free pedometer that turns your daily steps into coins you can redeem for gift cards. They do have over 1 million plus downloads and 74K reviews. Why choose Cash Walk? Discover how Cash Walk makes every step healthier, more rewarding, and easier to track. Step counter, end coins, gift cards, community. So collect coins automatically as you walk up to 20,000 steps daily. No manual input needed. More steps, more rewards. So that's all you have to do. Track your steps and you get paid. All you have to do is download the app, start walking, earn coins, and redeem your rewards. And that is it. So when you download the app, you get to see this is the how it works, and you can download. You have gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, Google Play gift cards, maybe iTunes cards. You can convert your coins into any of those, and you get to use them. And let's read some reviews from easy to use, pays out faster than other working apps. The extra bonuses are legit. Cashback keeps me motivated to work every day. I already redeemed Walmart and Starbucks card. Totally worth it. So you can see the reviews from people that have been using the app all this while and what they have to say about it. So, and you can also join their community. You come here, you join that community. If you want to take your fitness health seriously, if you want to take your fitness seriously, you get to join that community, you get to learn different things about fitness and so on. Now to the number one side, I'll pay you to work to track your steps and you get paid. It's called Sweatcoin. With Sweatcoin, you have to do the same thing you've been doing for the others. So you can actually have three apps at once. So with Sweatcoin, you just have to download the app. You come, you start tracking your steps and you get paid also. But Sweatcoin is more popular, is the number one steps tracking app in the world right now because most people have recommended this site. So all you have to do is come to the Sweatcoin website or maybe you download the app on your app store or Google Play Store and you start tracking your steps and get paid. So when you come, it says it pays to work. Turn your steps into real life rewards. Download the app. Use that globally. Stepcoin has 203 million, over 203 million users globally. It's the top three health fitness app. So for it to be among the top three, meaning it's the top one app that pays you for tracking your steps. Work and earn exclusive rewards. Every step counts, literally. Track your progress, build a lasting habit. Trusted by the best. Apple, Amazon, NHS, hundreds of business rely on Sweatcoin to make millions healthier. If you ever needed an incentive to exercise, a new app could give you a much needed boost to get active. And they have over 1 million plus ratings on Google Play Store and 273K ratings on Apple. And it's a global app. You can see all the countries. Have fun, blah blah blah. Put your steps into work. Join our charity challenge and work with purpose. Set Sweatcoins has created over 64 billion show in real time, 100% privacy partners. It partners with NHS and the government. So it has global partners, big global partners that you can see. So that is it for Sweatcoins. So definitely, Sweatcoins is the number one on this list, and the second one that I would suggest if you want would be Cashwork, and the third one will be the reward app. So you can actually have two, all three of them on your phone, and you start tracking for your own good. You can actually download all three of the apps and start tracking and get to make money from them online. You're not going to make something big, but with tracking every day, at the end of the month, you see that you get to make something tangible instead of you just working for free. Why not just track and you get to make some free money for yourself. The money is not going to be big, but it's free money. Free money is never too small for anyone. So just download the apps, start tracking some money for yourself. This is the end of our video. Thank you all so much. And if you want to see videos like these about more apps that will pay you to track your steps, comment down below leave a comment and leave a like. If you have any questions, send them in the comment sections and I'll get back to you. Thank you all so much. I will not be here without you guys, as I keep saying. Without your love, without your support, without your subscription, without your likes, without your share, I won't be here. Thank you all so much for all that you're putting in. And I promise to do my best to bring more of such videos to you guys. Thank you all, and I can't wait to see you all in the next video.